Tree Removal, Brisbane Southside. Chip Off the Old Block is a distinguished tree service company based in Brisbane, boasting 4 generations of expertise and credibility in the industry. Eric Devjak, the owner-operator, is a highly skilled 4th-generation arborist with a decade of experience in catering to Brisbane Southside's tree removal and stump grinding requirements. Rest assured, as we are fully insured, and our team of extensively trained arborists ensures the highest standards of tree maintenance and removal for professional tree services in Brisbane Southside. We prioritize customer satisfaction in all our tree lopping and stump removal jobs. Our aim is to create the garden you desire with minimal hassle and the most affordable tree removal cost. For emergencies during Brisbane's Southside summer storm seasons, Chip Off the Old Block offers the best solution with our cost-effective emergency tree pruning services.